Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Zeeshan Pirzada. I'm Business Application and Power Platform Lead at Microsoft. Today I would like to talk about low-code platform. But before I start my presentation, I want to thank Skeptox IT Solution for inviting me to this Digital Transformation Conclave 2021. Now I'm going to share my presentation and we'll talk how low-code platform can transform the organization within industry across different industries. We all understand the importance of communication between different systems within an organization and also know the criticality to have automation of small business processes to increase employee productivity and process efficiency. So across industries, when we talk about industries and geographies, organizations are working to drive value continuously with digital transformation efforts. Doing so has become essential to business growth and evolution. But even as organizations have more data and technology resources, digital transformation efforts still faces some challenges. So at the same time, today's workforce demands customized tech-savvy solution for business applications across organization. In the same way, software has eaten the world in the consumer space. Business application and programs needs to keep pace with the expectation of a younger and more technology savvy workforce. So what I suggested, how can we combat these challenges? Business need better system to make sense of the data, utilize and customize existing business application, and provide better employee support and customer service. To top that, I would say ground up software development takes time and is expensive. And building software in-house brings it with a host of security and compliance consideration. That requires extensive upfront investments. Plus, to ensure that applications run seamlessly and face no regulatory problems, hacks, or maybe data breach. So it's needless to say digital transformation is more important now than every, but major roadblocks remains there. So let's talk about how digital transformation and how it can evolve the business. So with local transformation, business gets the opportunity to break up the silos and democratize access to technology and data. Empowering your business with low-code transformations give you the ability to surface insights and create flexibility in business process and proactively create innovative, scalable solutions. Business have the flexibility to start with the technology system and data they have, whether it is cloud service, CRM or ERP systems, or even legacy on-prem systems and process. Beyond connecting to data sources through APIs, low-code platform enables you to connect and make sense of all your data, whether it is structured, unstructured, text, images, videos with the help of AI builders and with the help of technology that is recently built in. So once you have your all data, developers of all capabilities can work together on the low-code platform to build solutions. A low-code environment overall contributes to a productive business, creating agile solutions for business challenges in more ways than one. So whether it's person productivity or maybe integrated line of business or gaining valuable data insights at the right time and extending seamlessly across systems, developing and leveraging low code AI and chatbots and streaming workflows automation. So let's look at the predictions now. There is increasingly demand to build applications faster. So as per few predictors, over the next 5 years, more than 500 million digital applications has and services will be developed and deployed. Demand for business applications is greater than ever, growing 5 times faster than IT departments can deliver. It is no wonder that 86% of the organizations struggle to find their technical talent. So how to scale traditional cost I mean, how can we scale this tradition and code first development to meet this growing demands? Industries are embracing change and leveraging modern solutions to combat the effect of present day pandemic. However, technological transformation for the most companies has been slow. One reason is that building every solution from the scratch is not feasible to keep the current technological growth and momentum because while the demand for the new application increases by the day, the tech world faces a talent shortage. As I was mentioning, 86% of the organizations struggle to find technical talent, and the demand for mobile application is growing at faster rate than IT departments can deliver. So the second challenge I would say is building software and system from the scratch again is a time consuming. Building in-house requires several considerations and it is easier said than done in short run. So although you have full control over how the software functions, there are high monetary costs associated with building and maintenance of homegrown software. The demand of again the demand of digital technology has surged over the past few years. So and the pandemic has only heightened the need of solutions that are faster, simpler, and easily available. The need for technology savvy solutions. And finally, compliance, most of all, building software in-house brings it a host of security and compliance consideration and invest to ensure the applications run seamlessly and face no regulatory problems or maybe data breach or hacking risk. So the need of digital resilience has never been clearer. Companies that embrace technology changes and adopt low-code platform and low-code transformation will continue to grow. With this, what business need today is it's simple. They require high productivity, low-code development platform that helps them adopt and respond to rapid developments in real time. Rather than trying to turn everyone into a developer or invest heavily in building software in-house, employing low-code development can help address these changes and these challenges and close the skill gap that exceeds the current enterprise capabilities. So, in a nutshell, I see four major benefits coming out of it. So, meeting the demand faster, accelerate front-end business processes development. It can also reduce the cost by 74%. Seamless application development remains on top. However, the effortless integration and extensibility with the help of available connectors that allows you to connect with on-prem, on cloud, different solutions across the organizations. So a low-code platform is a need of every organization, is a need of every industry. There are scenarios that are niche to those industries, and there are horizontal use cases that can be opted by the organizations across. So I'll show the list of few scenarios that are available. These are the use cases that can most of the organizations can opt easily. These are very horizontal. There is an example of health and safety application, which is a need of time, hospital bed allocation. That's again could be a vertical to health industry, and there are a lot that are related to travel and expense approval, event schedule management. These are horizontal, and every organization today is one way or the other utilizing their bandwidth on these solutions, small solutions. So finally, this is the most interesting and probably the final slide of my presentation, but it actually shows the metrics representing the low code platform development scenarios. So the business impact that such development deployments can make and the time it takes for an organization to achieve these results. So you can also see from the colors of the dots and the legends of at the bottom the type of developers involved in the deployments. In order to understand how your business can drive a low code transform across every employee and department at your company. On the x-axis, you can see that the time to impact quantified as immediate, taking about 2 weeks to gradual about a quarter. While on the y-axis, we can see the impact of the solution ranging from a single individual user up to the organization-wide impact. So these deployment scenarios ranges from quick wins to structural changes. And again, it depends what we want to do with what we want to achieve with the low code transformation, with the low code development. So the metrics depicts how single user, for example, a citizen developer can use low code platform, and specifically in this case, Power Platform, to develop a personal productivity solution and modernize paper-based process within few weeks. For example, and as you may know, a citizen developer can easily build applications. So on top of SharePoint or Excel-based data to manage processes and create personal productivity solutions. Moving up the scale in complexity, we can see how professional developers can inject artificial intelligence into business process by building chatbot to optimize customer service and enhance employee support. So in the very top right, the most impactful scenario, we see how companies can gradually build, deploy, and manage a governance system that helps business drive the most utility from the Power Platform solution, driving rapid code first and low code development across professional developers, cities and developers, and IT teams even. I would include IT teams because now IT is not running in a silos anymore. So this is basically on a holistic view of how we should adopt low code transformation, low code platform for our organization to at least, especially in those organizations where we are running multiple systems, and we really want them to talk with each other. We really want to now look what we have, what data we have today, and what we need to do with that data. So with this slide, I'll thank everyone who attended the session. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in chat box and I'll respond them accordingly. I'll also drop my email address. So in case if you have any question later at this stage, you can send an email to me. And thank you very much for joining the session. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.